Hi lovelies, today I'm bringing for you 10 reasons why you should stop vlogging content. If you don't want to stop vlogging content, you should at least put a shift to your vlogging content. Do you know that 20% of vlogging content creators that post their content consistently are trying to earn enough money out of vlogs? However, the 80% of vloggers, they struggle making money with their content on their channels. They will take months, they will take good days for them to see a dime. In today's video, I would love to speak to you who wants to earn money, as long as your intention is like, I want to earn money. I don't want to see views. I want money. If you want to earn money, I'm going to give you 10 reasons to put a shift from vlogging, and you go and look for some other, or you integrate with other niches or other topics for you to make sure that you start earning money every month, because it is a bit hard due to different reasons, especially the competition. It is too much on vlogging side. So here we are giving you 10 reasons why exactly you should stop this vlogging content if your aim is to make money. But before I dive into these 10 reasons, I would love to say thank you very much every creator that has been there on our channel, and we are there to make it work. We have to make it. The first reason that you should stop is because vlogging content is really circulated. I can say that it has a circulated market. What do I mean circulated market? The vlogging space is overcrowded. This is the place that the competition is too high. For you to stand out, for you to earn money out of it, you have to make sure that you stand out, you be on top of the game. And for you to be on top of the game, it will be hard for you to beat the first people who started there. So the algorithm favors more those people, because it will match make. How is she? How is he? How are they doing? So people like me, if I'm to be in a vlogging, it means I'll stay even 6 to 9 months without even getting a dime from my vlogging content. So from today, you guys, I would request you, if you really want a vlogging content or in the niche, and you feel like, no, I want to be earning money on every 21st of the month, please, from today, I want you to sit down and see how can I twist my content, and I make sure that it intermarries with other content, with other niches. The second reason why you should stop is it involves high production, by the way. That is, high production cost is involved in vlogging content. You guys, vlogging content requires expensive equipments. It requires expensive places. You guys, I was talking to one of my friends some time back, and when I went to calculate what she does, for you to do vlogging, you have to get out of your home, you have to go with cameras, you have to go with people who are going to capture, you have to be with a microphone, talk less of editing, because the editing has to be the top notch. So for you to start a vlogging content, you know that you're in for it. You have to be prepared for you to beat the game. What is my advice for you here? Someone who has started a faceless channel, really, you guys, will be better than you. Not in terms of views, but in terms of money. Just imagine someone will sit down like I'm sitting down and give tutorials. I'll give a review over this glass and talk about the makeup, talk about the books, and go home with their money. What about you who is in vlogging content? It's high time, you people, because these the faceless and other channels are budget friendly. So think about it. Let's go to the third reason. It's time consuming. How do I say it is time consuming? If you're going to show or how Dubai Mall looks like, it means you have to travel there. Take an instance, I stay in Sharjah and I have to travel, I have to drive from here to there. It means I'm going to take that time. But now compare it with tutorials, compare it with tech reviews and others. It is a matter of knowing that a day I'm going to do 5 videos, you sit down and do them and go. The next day is for editing. But when it comes to vlogging, you cannot do that. And I really know right now why some people, or why people cannot be consistent, because it is time consuming. It takes even long hours in editing. If you really, I love the way vloggers do edit their work. It is top notch. But if you're going to ask them, how long did you take to edit your work? It is too much. Now as I record this video, it can take me more 30 minutes to edit it, remove some small things and finish. But if you're on vlogging content, you cannot do that. Let's go now to the fourth one. It has limited monetization options, you guys. That one, and we're all here because we want to earn money. Vloggers often rely on ads for revenue. But with faceless content, you can diversify. Recently, I started advertising for people and even opting for people to go for faceless content. Faceless content is easier, and they can easily get even sponsorship. They can even easily get use affiliate marketing, and even you can even sell online courses. So guys, I would love you to change your mind. If you know you're thinking, should I remain in vlogging or should I go for vlogging? You change your mind today. There's something that I know someone out there is going to say, but Christine, I'm already there. How can I go there? How can I get out? You don't need to abandon your channel. Me, I'm not like with other people who say, leave the channel and start another one. But you can swiftly, slowly by slowly, change the niche. Let's go to the fifth one. Audience fatigue. You guys, when I'm talking about audience fatigue, everybody has gotten used of that vlogging content. People quickly become repetitive, seriously, leading to viewer drop-off. On the other hand, evergreen content keeps bringing in people and viewers and even revenue. What do I mean if I say audience fatigue? You know, people like they are used. Because me, when I was going to change my niche, I was in any niche. I didn't even know any niche. I used to travel to all these nice places in Dubai. I remember Dubai Mall and what. By the time I come back, people already know. People already know. So do you think it is going to excite somebody? Think about it. Let's go to the seventh one. The seventh one is personal life exposure. You know, sometimes people they take us for granted, especially when they come to know you in and out. I'm in Abu Dhabi, someone knows me. I've gone through this, someone has known. I've done this, someone has known. And this one completely, they lead to some issues in your privacy. That's why you see most people who are doing vlogging are attacked so much on their privacy and their families. Creating faceless videos and even tutorials and other things are much better than you sitting on a vlog content. If you know you're here and you want to really make money, I want you to start thinking about that. Let's go to the seventh one. It is high competition for views. You people, if you're in vlogging, the only thing you're going to be thinking about views. You're not going to be thinking about money. So what is my advice? Move away from that struggle to struggle for views. No way. Because that is a place where there's too much competition. So what are you waiting for now? Because I'm very sure you started the channel for the sake of monetization, not for the sake of views. However, views are needed in the long run. Let's go to the eighth one. Lack of long-term viability. Viability, you guys, I always tell you about evergreen content. Vlogs cannot bring you money after a long time. That's why you see, if you see on some of the videos I did for Christmas, Vlogmas, they got very few, small amount of money. So, and I had to stop and I dropped out. Why should I? Why should I continue with something that I know it is going to stop there, that is not going to bring me money? So guys, if you know the content cannot be continued, searched for, it should come as a by the way, but don't concentrate so much on it. So trendy vlogs, they lose relevance so fast. You're going to talk about politics that is happening today, Christmas, whatever, but it will lose relevance so fast. No one is going to search for it. But if you go to education tutorials, I know there is one point that I want you to stop vlogging because of this. I know you're going to say, Christine, do you mind? This is our lifestyle. Yes, it's your lifestyle, but I know when you're at home, when you reach home, you feel I'm dying. It has a stressful lifestyle. You guys, I take an example. My first videos were about vlogging, but imagine out of the days I have one day off. So that day I would move around to get those vlogs, and at the end of the day you find my life is very stressed. So you guys, you find you're pressured constantly to speak about yourself, to do this, do the other. You don't leave any room for you to relax completely. Unlike all other content, all other niches, you can relax. You guys, I can say in my niche, please, I want you, all of you, to come in my niche. You're going to feel relaxed like the one getting relaxed. I only need 30 minutes to do everything, and I sit. Then I wait for money to flow. Let's go to the 10th, last but not least. Don't mind about me. Right now I'm excited because I've not been seeing the camera after a long time of being stressed, sick. So the 10th one is lower compared to other niches, as in terms of payment. Vlogging's the returns are always so down. So focusing on niches that are highly paid is very much better. So why are you there? Why don't you focus on tech review? Let's go and review dresses. Let's go and review makeup. Let's go and review people's the furniture. The same vlogging videos you're doing, we can use it to do reviews and we earn money, you guys. So guys, as I'm concluding this video, I want you to say that ultimate vlogging offers a low return to investment. Focusing on a profitable niche, you can earn up to 5,000 monthly or more. But with vlogging, you're going to remain there. They just give you small, like this. It is called tip. It is called tip. Okay, so let's all turn in 2025 and start making money from either faceless videos, from horror videos, from educational videos, review videos. Let's run away from vlogging. These are the 10 reasons why you should stop vlogging. Thank you very much. I remain Christine.